Good day, sir and madam. I am Mariel Barbosa Bobita, 29 years old, single with live-in partner. I have one children, 7 years old. My husband is a security guard, and my father is a tricycle driver, and my mom is a housewife. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am from Dolores, Abra. I am college undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Restaurant Management. My hobbies are singing, cleaning the house, taking care of children, washing dishes and clothes, ironing, gardening, and marketing. All the house chores. I work as a local helper here in Philippines for 2 years, 6 months. I have served 5 family members, 2 adult and 3 children, age 13, 4, and 7. Sir and Madam, I will be honest, loyal, hardworking, and I will do my best to serve your family. If you hire me, Sir and Madam, I will do my best and I will treat your family as my own family too. I will follow all the regulations and responsibility that you gave to me. Thank you and have a good day, Madam and Sir.